Welcome along for another Christmas Stampathon 2021. My name is Esther and this is Stampin Star Creations, here with this month's theme of Keep It Simple Stamping. So today I've chosen two different stamp sets, For Unto Us and Forever Fern. For Unto Us will be coming back in the Christmas mini catalogue. So taking one of the sentiments from the For Unto Us and using our new in colour, or one of the new in colours, Evening Evergreen, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment in the middle of my white cardstock. Then taking the largest leaf from the Forever Fern set, this helps take up a lot of space as you're stamping, and I'm just inking up the top half of the image to stamp down. Each time I stamp I'm just moving the stamp slightly so that you get a different positioning of the leaves each time, and it gives it a more natural look. I decided to concentrate on the top and the bottom of the card so that you've got a nice border along the edges. Nice and quick and nice and simple. So next I'm just bringing in one of my blending brushes and I'm picking up the colour from the stamp, and this is a nice technique so that you can just pick up a little bit of the ink. Now when I come to sponge this and to blend the ink, it does actually smudge a little bit of the image. It gives it a nice soft effect. It wasn't deliberate, but it does actually give it a nice soft effect. For the other three cards that I remake, I do actually end up sponging first and then adding the image afterwards. Taking the lovely dotty stamp from the Forever Fern and coming in with a real red, and with this colour I'm going to create the illusion of berries amongst those leaves. So inking up each time I stamp that down so I've got a nice strong colour. Then I decided to fill in the gap on each side with some blending, as the sides looked a bit bare without anything on. I did do a tiny smudge, so I'm just bringing in the berries, just extending them a bit to finish my card, mounting it on to some matching Evening Evergreen cardstock to complete this very simple card. So Christmas cards don't need to take that long. Do come and join us in the challenge over on Facebook,